What's up, guys? It's your friend Brad here. I'm gonna show you how to make a great meal. 2 fried eggs on a plate of spinach, and I'll show you how it works. Are you ready? I got my cast iron pan full of coconut oil. It's been heating around high. Let it get really hot before you put your eggs on it, or they'll be stuck to the pan. And then I have my plate with some spinach. Put your spinach here. Get a plate of spinach, and then I'll take a lime, fresh lime, cut lime. Now squeeze the lime juice. Oh yeah, all over that spinach. And then you get some real good hipster organic coconut oil. Ooh, it's starting to boil. Oh my. Now I will take my eggs, and I will crack your eggs. Yes. Crack your eggs. I use 2 eggs. Some guys like 3, some like 4. I like 2. There. See? You want your pan really hot, because now it's really going to cook the eggs good. Yes. Yes. And get your handy. Oh yes. Oh, it cooks so fast. Coconut oil is really good for the body. So is spinach, and so is lime. Yes. 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 Oh yes. You have to look at this. Wait, look. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, do you see that? 2 fried eggs in coconut oil going on a plate of spinach and lime will be wonderful. Check it out, people. Check this. You have no idea what you're doing. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good. So good. It's gonna be great. Oh yeah, baby. That looks pretty good to me. Now we're gonna eat it. Flip it one more time. Gotta flip the eggs. Cook them nice. Ooh, protein peak, baby. Eggs and spinach are so good, especially when you're working out. Oh yeah. Check it, baby. It's gonna be good. Oh, smell. Oh, yes. That looks pretty good. Check it out. Check it. Oh yeah. And there you have it. Spinach, lime, and 2 fried eggs in coconut oil, which is very good for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it, like it, and subscribe to it. Oh.